Okay, for this problem, they're talking about banking fees, and there's a sample of 45 customers, and they pay an average of $12.28 per month on their interest-bearing checking accounts, and the population standard deviation is 188. So we want to find a 99% confidence interval. So if you click on question help, it gives you the formula, but it says that for this exercise, use technology. So what we're going to do is we're going to open Excel, and I've already worked it here. So you're going to type in equal confidence, and then you're going to put the alpha, and the alpha is 1 minus 0.99, which would be 0.01. The standard deviation was 188, and the sample size was 45. So if you press enter, this is what you're going to add and subtract from the mean. So the mean was 1228. So if you do 1228 plus this number, you get 13, which if you round it would give you $13 for the upper. And then if you do 1228 minus this number, you will get 1155, and that would round up to 1156. So 1156 and $13. As far as the margin of error, your formula is the z value times the standard deviation, the standard error of the mean, which is the standard deviation divided by the square root of n. I'll show you how to do this in Excel. So if you look at your z value for a 99% confidence interval, it's going to be 2.576, and then you have to times this by the standard deviation, which is, I think, 1.88 divided by the square root of n, which is 45, and you will get 0.721934, and so that would be 0.72. So let me know if you have any questions. You will have to use technology on this problem.